Ever wondered how some websites seem to magically appear at the top of your search results, even for niche topics, while others, seemingly well-built, languish in obscurity? It's a question that plagues countless businesses and content creators. And the answer, more often than not, lies in understanding a powerful, yet often overlooked, concept: the overpass website. We're all familiar with the idea of a website. It's your online storefront, your digital brochure, your virtual meeting place. But just like a physical store can be strategically located on a bustling high street or hidden away in a quiet alley, websites also exist on a spectrum of visibility. And the overpass website isn't just a prime location. It's a superhighway interchange, funneling massive amounts of traffic and authority. To truly grasp what an overpass website is, let's take a step back and consider the fundamental goal of most online ventures: to be found. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry, providing legal advice, or sharing your passion for vintage fountain pens, you want people to discover you. And in the vast, interconnected world of the internet, discovery primarily happens through search engines. Google, Bing, and even specialized platforms like Amazon or YouTube act as the modern-day town criers, directing people to relevant information and products. Now, imagine a website so well-optimized, so authoritative, and so strategically positioned that it acts like a digital overpass. Just as a physical overpass elevates a road above intersecting paths, allowing for smooth, uninterrupted flow, an overpass website elevates its content and linked properties above the general noise of the internet. It doesn't just rank well for a few keywords. It dominates entire topic clusters, attracting a continuous stream of highly qualified traffic. Think about it from a user's perspective. When you search for something specific, you're looking for the best, most comprehensive, and most trustworthy information available. An overpass website consistently delivers on all fronts. It's not just a single page. It's an ecosystem of interconnected content, all revolving around a central theme or industry. It's a hub, a nexus, a go-to resource that people instinctively turn to. So, what are the defining characteristics that elevate a standard website to the esteemed status of an overpass? It's a combination of several key elements working in concert. Firstly, unparalleled authority. An overpass website isn't built overnight. It accrues authority over time through consistent creation of high-quality, in-depth content. This content isn't just informative. It's often original research, unique insights, or a truly comprehensive aggregation of existing knowledge that's presented in an easily digestible format. Other websites naturally link to it as a primary source, signaling to search engines its trustworthiness and expertise. Think of academic journals or Wikipedia. While not strictly overpass websites in the commercial sense, they embody this principle of authoritative content. Secondly, strategic internal linking. An overpass website is meticulously structured. It's not a collection of disconnected pages. It's a tightly woven web where every piece of content supports and reinforces others. Internal links guide users and search engine crawlers through a logical pathway, demonstrating the breadth and depth of the site's coverage. This creates a powerful link juice flow, distributing authority across all relevant pages and strengthening the site's overall ranking potential. Thirdly, robust external linking and backlink profile. This is where the overpass metaphor truly shines. Just as an overpass connects different roads, an overpass website is heavily linked to by other reputable websites. These backlinks act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that the overpass website is a valuable resource. Crucially, these aren't just any backlinks. They're from highly relevant, authoritative sources within the same industry or niche. This creates a powerful network effect, elevating the overpass website above its competitors. Fourthly, exceptional user experience, UX. An overpass website isn't just designed for search engines. It's designed for humans. It's fast, mobile-friendly, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. Users can quickly find what they're looking for, consume the information effortlessly, and have a positive overall interaction. This translates into lower bounce rates, longer dwell times, and increased engagement, all positive signals for search engine algorithms. Fifthly, continuous content production and optimization. An overpass website is a living, breathing entity. It's constantly updated with fresh, relevant content that addresses evolving user needs and industry trends. Old content is regularly reviewed and refreshed to ensure its accuracy and timeliness. This commitment to continuous improvement keeps the site vibrant and reinforces its position as a go-to resource. Finally, and perhaps most subtly, a deep understanding of search intent. An overpass website doesn't just target keywords. It understands the underlying needs and questions that drive those searches. It anticipates what users are looking for and provides comprehensive answers, often anticipating follow-up questions. This holistic approach to content creation makes the overpass website an indispensable resource for its target audience. Consider a well-known industry leader like HubSpot in the marketing automation space, or Moz in the SEO industry. These aren't just company websites. They are overpass websites. They offer an incredible wealth of free resources, educational content, tools, and research. They've built immense authority and trust, attracting millions of visitors who are actively searching for solutions and information related to their respective fields. When you search for anything related to inbound marketing, HubSpot is almost certainly among the top results. When you're looking for SEO best practices, Moz is consistently there. They've become the digital overpasses for their industries. Building an overpass website isn't about shortcuts or black hat SEO tactics. It's a long-term strategy that prioritizes genuine value creation. It requires dedication, expertise, and a commitment to serving your audience exceptionally well. But the rewards are immense. Sustainable traffic, high conversion rates, and an undeniable position of leadership within your niche. It's about becoming the undisputed authority, the first and last stop for anyone seeking information or solutions in your domain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.